Hello, welcome to Just Quick News. I'm Jest from WASSCE Solutions, bringing you updates on the just concluded 2024 WASSCE examinations. The West African Examinations Council, WAEC, has released an official press statement regarding the conduct of the 2024 WASSCE, which began on Monday, August 5th, and ended on Friday, September 20th, 2024. A total of 460,611 candidates participated in the exams, with 212,954 males and 247,657 females from 1,003 participating schools across Ghana. The exams were conducted at 1,000 centers nationwide. However, during the monitoring of the exams, WAEC uncovered multiple infractions committed by some supervisors, invigilators, and candidates. Photocopying of answers and distributing them to candidates, smuggling foreign materials into exam halls, mobile phones being smuggled by candidates and teachers, writing answers on boards for candidates, using projectors to display answers for copying, posting snapshots of questions on social media. WAEC has condemned these practices and assured that appropriate action will be taken against any examination officials or stakeholders found culpable. The Council is committed to upholding the integrity of the examination process. More troubling was the discovery that some candidates were asked to pay between GHC 200.00 and GHC 500.00 in exchange for assistance from compromised invigilators. WAEC also reported that some schools registered individuals who were not genuine students of their institutions, further undermining the fairness of the exams. These unethical practices threaten the credibility of the WASSCE. WAEC has strongly warned heads of schools, supervisors, and invigilators to refrain from these activities. The Council has promised that anyone involved will face the full consequences of their actions. This press release highlights the importance of maintaining ethical standards in examinations, as such breaches not only harm the reputation of the examination body but also impact the future of Ghana's education system. We will continue to follow this story and provide updates as new developments emerge. Stay tuned to Just Quick News for all your education-related updates. Thanks for watching. I'm Jest from WASSCE Solutions. Be sure to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below.